climate crisis. 97% of climate scientists agree that climate warming trends over the past century are extremely likely due to human activities, and most of the leading scientific organizations worldwide have issued public statements endorsing this position. Know what is actually happening to our planet. 1. Global temperature rise. 2. Warming oceans. 3. Shrinking ice sheets. 4. Glacial retreat. 5. Decreased snow cover. 6. Sea level rise. 7. Declining Arctic sea ice. 8. Ocean acidification. The planet's average surface temperature has risen about 1.62 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.9 degrees Celsius, since the late 19th century, a change driven largely by increased carbon dioxide and other human-made emissions into the atmosphere. The oceans have absorbed much of this increased heat, with the top 700 meters, about 2,300 feet, of ocean showing warming of more than 0.4 degrees Fahrenheit since 1969. Greenland lost an average of 286 billion tons of ice per year between 1993 and 2016, while Antarctica lost about 127 billion tons of ice per year during the same time period. Glaciers are retreating almost everywhere around the world, including in the Alps, Himalayas, Andes, Rockies, Alaska, and Africa. The amount of spring snow cover in the northern hemisphere has decreased over the past 5 decades, and that the snow is melting earlier. Global sea level rose about 8 inches in the last century. The rate in the last 2 decades, however, is nearly double that of the last century and is accelerating slightly every year. Both the extent and thickness of Arctic sea ice has declined rapidly over the last several decades. Since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, the acidity of surface ocean waters has increased by about 30%. This increase is the result of humans emitting more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Ignore climate change and 1. Hurricanes will become stronger and more intense. 2. Sea level will rise 1 to 4 feet by 2103. More droughts and heat waves. 4. Frost-free season, and growing season, will lengthen. 5. Arctic likely to become ice-free.